Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add friends in Once Human step by step. First of all, launch open your Once Human game on your device, and once you're inside this main game menu, go ahead and tap on this button at the top right over here, and this will open up this pop-up menu where you'll need to click on Friend. After you do that, this will open up the Contacts tab where you can search friend by their name or ID in the search box. Go to the top of the screen and in the search bar, type in the name of the friend or the ID of the friend you want to send the friend request to. Now, after you type down the name, search for it and you'll see the search result. Tap the plus button right next to their name to send the friend request. You can now repeat this process and enter other friend's name and tap the plus button right next to their name. Keep repeating this process for every other friends you want to add. So after you do that, your friends will need to accept your friend request. Once they do, you'll be able to be friends in Once Human. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.